Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 12C, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this XIAOMI. You need to begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck. Now you need to get this free app from Flare to Developer, and when it's ready, open it. DevCheck device and system info. Thanks to this app, you can learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!